The iMOW robotic mower from STIHL mows your lawn automatically, so you don't have to, leaving you with a beautiful green lawn without having to lift a finger. iMOW is installed by laying or burying a thin wire around the edges of your garden, and around any obstacles like shrubs, trees, flower beds or water features. If it comes across any other objects in the mowing area, the iMOW sensors simply kick in and take it off in another direction. iMOW is a mulching mower, which means it cuts small clippings of grass and drops it back into the lawn, acting as a natural and nutrient-rich fertiliser, with the added bonus of never having to empty your grass box again. It cuts the grass little and often, so that the small clippings decompose quickly and easily, leaving no trace apart from a well-nourished, lush, green lawn. iMOW has a dynamic mowing plan that can be easily tailored to your needs, so it can be programmed to mow when you're not using your garden at a time that suits you. It's quiet too, so it can even mow at night. A key advantage of a STIHL iMOW is its quick mowing times, so you can spend more time enjoying that freshly cut look in your garden. You don't have to worry about charging the iMOW's lithium-ion battery either. It simply finds its way back to the weatherproof docking station and charges efficiently, ready for the next cut. There are a number of different models available, catering for small gardens to larger gardens, up to 5,000 square metres in size. It doesn't matter if your garden isn't perfectly flat either. iMOW's gradient sensors help it manage its speeds so it can handle slopes with ease. There are also versions that connect to the STIHL iMOW app via a smart device or tablet, so you can send iMOW out to mow, return it to the docking station or change future mowing plans, plus much more via a free app. The app-connected versions even look at future weather forecasts and adjust the mowing plan if it's likely to rain. As with all power tools, read the owner's manual before use. We recommend children, animals and any smaller objects are not present while iMOW is mowing. iMOW is the effortless way to achieve a lush green lawn. For more information and to find your nearest iMOW dealer, visit imow.co.uk.